it's Sam here, and if you want to make yourself a homemade cat toy, well, this is what you're gonna need. This it's from, I'll show you. Just just one of these things I should use. Gosh, that's hard, but one second. So this was in there. So it was like one of these things. So that's this one. And if you have a cat, is gonna have one of these things around. Doesn't have to have the bell, or it could just be a mouse. And if it's like this one, then okay, it's easier. Cause my cat, 2 cats, I just used this whole part without this part, and they liked it. And then I went in there and I went in a box and I found this. And so, yeah. And trust me, if you don't think it's gonna work, it works. Right here. This is how you take it out. It works. I've already tried it, so yeah. See, it just comes out. Yeah. You can put it back. It was on my distance, yeah. Yeah. So, and then you take your mouse with the thing. If it doesn't have this rope down here with this down, you just need to try to put a rope on this somewhere. And so this is what you do. Come on a sec. Oh, great. Hopefully you can see it. Just put it on there and then just try to tie it on there. Man, I'm having trouble with it. Here's just my cat over here. The dog's right behind me. And also, if you think it's gonna come off, but these things hold it. So, my cat came here, heard the noises. Birdie, come here, come on. See, the cats will love it. Oh, never mind, it fell off. But if you don't have one of these pink toys around your house, but you have one of these, you could just do this. Watch. Rudy, come on, here. Yeah, he's not responding right now. Oh, he's biting it. See, and so let me try to put that back on. And then there. Perfect. Sorry. Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, come on. Okay, let's see. Let's try it this time. Yeah, it came off. I don't know. I'll try to get it on. He's playing with something right now. I'll show you in a second. So I get this bell through this. Look, he's playing with that. Just like, ooh, what's this? Let me see. Howdy, kitty. Will you play with this now? Move that out of the way. No, he seems to be playing with this. So he was interested in this, but now he's interested in this. So, yeah. So basically, this is something. If you're a cat, you play with it. My cat isn't. Try it with my other cat. Princess. Let me go get her. Come on, girl. Hurt. Okay, stay. It's okay. Come on, look. Come on. Then we should play with it. Or is she interested in something else? But this is what she did. It's my dog. Is my dog interested? I don't know. But, they don't get interested. Nope, she's following it. Maybe when they're like playing for a while. Here, let's see. Try him again. Come on, just flip him over. Yeah. Mostly plays with you like, see, oh, yeah, oh, see? He likes it. Wow. Yeah, just let go of it and he'll be playing for this. A little. Yeah. Let's say you do it. He's just leaving. Or they would just put this part of it. So, bye.